So this is it, how it is right now. I've just started doing it before I remember that I need to video it again because I did last time. This is how it look like. This is the wall. I have to remove all these things, this tissue paper. And this is it, how it is. Yeah. So this is the mirror you use to look if you're bathing. Yeah, so I need to clean this mirror, clean this place here too. Yeah, so I need to wash it. And this is what I'm using. The floor is dirty because where we are, we have red sand like on the floor. We have this red sand, so it make everything dirty so fast. So this is how it look like before. I start with here already, so I'm going to continue. This video is not going to be long. Don't want it to be long. So these are the material I'm using. I'm using sponge. Yeah, I'm no more using the sponge, so I use it to wash. I like using sponge, like it make it fast for me. It's a big sponge though, see. And I'm using this too. I'm using this and this too to wash the floor. So that's the material I use, and this is my water. And before, let's say 20 minutes now, I will be done with this thing. So keep on watching. Guys, I'm tired. Like today, I'm not even feeling well since yesterday. I'm having this malaria. You know, that's why I'm sweating a lot. As you can see, sweat. I'm sweating. I'm having malaria sweat. I'm almost done. Like, let's say in 5 minutes now, I'll be okay. I can be done with this place, and I'll shower. Then I rest because I've washed clothes before I start with before I come to the toilet. So once I'm done here, I'll go and take my bath. Then I rest. Once my toilet is dirty, I don't feel okay. But when I'm done with it now, I'll be the most happiest person on earth. I don't know why. I like my toilet to be clean always. So guys, let me finish with the down because I use the sponge to wash the top, like the wall, the up and the down. I use this broom. It makes the work easy for me. You see, you just use it like scrub it like this. You see, make it be fast. Yeah, so let's finish the work. Not working. It's not working. It's not working. It's not. I need to raise the wall.